Flowers are beautiful plants that grow in gardens, parks, and forests. They come in many different colors, shapes, and sizes. Some common types of flowers are roses, daisies, tulips, sunflowers, and daffodils. People like flowers because they are pretty and they smell nice. We often give flowers as gifts on special occasions like birthdays, anniversaries, and Mother's Day. When we give someone flowers, it shows that we care about them and want to make them happy. Flowers need water, sunlight, and soil to grow. They also need bees and butterflies to pollinate them so they can make seeds and grow more flowers. Some flowers bloom in the spring, while others bloom in the summer or fall. Many people enjoy gardening and growing their own flowers. They plant seeds or buy small plants from a nursery and take care of them by watering them regularly and giving them enough sunlight. Gardening can be a relaxing and enjoyable hobby. In some cultures, certain flowers have special meanings. For example, red roses are often associated with love and romance, while white lilies symbolize purity and innocence. Different flowers can also have different meanings in different countries. Overall, flowers are a beautiful and important part of nature. They bring color and joy to our lives, and they have been admired by people for centuries.